Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Realme 3 Pro. It is one of the best competitors to Redmi Note 7 Pro out there because it offers some awesome things at the exact same price point. Opening up the box, the first thing that you will find inside is another box which contains a clear transparent case for the phone along with some paperwork. It is very impressive to see companies include a clear transparent case inside the box itself because it is very difficult to find cases for phones in the first couple of weeks. Keeping these things aside for a moment, the next thing inside the box is the handset itself. I got it in this carbon grey color which looks absolutely stunning. It has this gradient which looks really cool and I am totally in love with this color. Now please make a note that this is not a glass back panel. In fact, it is a polycarbonate back panel. That means it is basically plastic. Unlike the Redmi Note 7 Pro, this one comes with plastic, so please keep that in mind. The next thing inside the box is the VOOC fast charger. So this one has an output rating of 5 volt at 4 amperes which will charge your phone really fast. But one letdown over here is that it comes with a micro USB port and not a USB Type-C port. So you do get a micro USB cable inside the box which is very durable, but still it is micro USB, it is 2019 and I wish that it would have come with a USB Type-C port. So that is a con for me. So those were the contents of the box. Now let me go ahead and quickly set up the device. Okay, so finally the device has been set up, and as always the first thing that I would like to check is the Android version. So let's go into settings, about phone, and as you can see the Android version is 9 Pie. So it is really good to see that it comes with the latest Android version. It also comes with Color OS on top of Android 9 Pie. Now this is my first time using a device with Color OS. I haven't ever used Color OS before. That's why stay tuned on the channel to know more about the software performance. Maybe even hit the subscribe button down there because I will be making a lot of videos on this phone. Now let's get to them numbers. So the Realme 3 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 710 SoC. It also has the Adreno 616 GPU which is supposed to be very good for gaming. As far as the RAM goes, you have two options, 4GB or 6GB along with 64 or 128GB of internal storage. It also comes with a dedicated micro SD card slot which is very essential at this price point, and it gets a huge thumbs up from my side. Apart from that, up front you get a 6.3-inch display with a resolution of Full HD+. The display is bright enough so that you can use it outdoors, and as far as first impressions go, I absolutely love the display on this phone. It is very much comparable to the Redmi Note 7 Pro and no complaints for the display so far. As far as the cameras go, it comes with a dual camera setup on the rear side. The primary camera is a 16 megapixel sensor with an aperture of f1.7. The secondary is a 5 megapixel depth sensor with an aperture of f2.4. On the front side of things, you get a 25 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.0. So on paper, these cameras look really awesome, but I will have to test them out further. That's why stay tuned on the channel. As far as the battery goes, this phone comes with a 40-45 mAh battery which is massive, and it is supposed to last you for 1.5 days to 2 days. So overall, for the price of Rs 14,000, the Realme 3 Pro is a very good phone and it is a direct competitor to the Redmi Note 7 Pro. In some aspects, it is better than the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and I'm really glad that there is some strong competition to Xiaomi in the market. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other, and if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.